Mayor. Kaya Mayor of the Philippines na lang ako.
Mayor of the Philippines.
Dong. Ilgasar. Sit nurse ka muna. Sit nurse. Kaya inaayos lang ha.
Presidential na daw. Mayor or mayor president? Just
Mayor lang. May I ask somebody to because may as mayor lang. Pag na yan, sir, mayor lang.
Why not?
Headquarters. I do not want an excessive guard.
Some of them state, merong ilan lang.
Yung original ko lang. Ayaw ko yung dagdag-dagdag. Hindi ko kilala.
Pero PSG na ba yun, Mayor?
And I will not accept the PSG here.
Why not?
Tomorrow, I would say, gusto ko na lang muna mag-Tagalog na lang ako. I'd like to apologize in advance. I'd be holding sort of a receiving the people. At may mga tatlong ambassadors ako. So in the place where I intend to meet them, I would ask I said my apology if you are not allowed to enter the premises of the place. Kasi magka-crowd tayo doon.
Sir, which countries?
China and I think Israel and I forgot the third.
Not the US.
US or Japan?
No, wala pa ang US.
Japan.
I don't know, you ask Bong?
Are you considering tomorrow as your dry run? Kumbaga, you're gonna start performing sort of?
No, because I am not yet as yet the president of this republic. I am still the mayor of Davao City until June 30. Na mag-end yan. We're talking about ending your term as mayor. And if God would allow it, if I'm still alive, then I'd begin my work as president on that day also.
Sir, but you're president-elect now. Some people call you president-elect.
Oh, wala man yan. President-elect ko. It does not give any importance at all to you.
So, Mayor,
You're still, I'm still mayor. At saka, sabi ko nga, you just call me mayor.
You will be receiving the secretaries at Manila and Claims Clubhouse, Mayor, until the end of June.
No, ganito na lang. I am recruiting the following. Sunny Dominguez as Finance Secretary. Art Tugade was our valedictorian sa San Beda, and he used to be with the Delgado brothers, and he has his own business, and of late he was the manager sa Clark Air Base. He resigned just about 2 months before the election to campaign for me. Classmate ko kasi, and he's bright. He's good. Arturo Tugade. Attorney Arturo Tugade.
for what position?
Baka DOTC.
Sir,
Then,
these people have accepted already.
well, as in, I'm recruiting. So, but just for you to know, then, I have a very short list actually. I'm still in the process of receiving recommendations.
How about PNPG, Mayor?
Wala pa. There are 3 contenders. I told them to just talk it over between the 3 of them, and I'd be happy to adapt any compromise there for the position.
Sila yung nandito, sir? Ay, sorry, no.
Dalawa nandito, sir.
Si Apple, si Espera, pati si Bato.
Tatlo sila.
Dumaan yan dito lahat sila as City Police Director. Si Espera during the time of Inday, Sara. The other ito sa panahon ko. At pati si I think inabot rin ni Inday ito si Apple.
Pero
Kulinaryo.
sinong mas matulog sa iyo, Mayor?
Wala, puro trabahante yan. Even the army. Sabi ko sa kanila, I do not know. Let them Pero ako, for sure, there's going to be a chief of staff, a new one, because paalis na si Dudo Rivera. Term ends.
General Visaya, sir.
Bisaya,
Sino mga contenders?
he's there. I am considering him to be the next chief of staff.
Visaya.
Bisaya.
Considering him. Is it Anyo or
I'm considering si Anyo. I think I'd rather follow the seniority rule para walang ano. And I told them to activate a vibrant board of generals for both the police and the armed forces. Sila na ang mag-recommend sa akin. And ayaw ko ng lakaran. Okay, that's why I requested them to activate na the board of generals so that when I assume, God willing, I can make the appointments immediately. Kasi kailangan yan sa armed forces pati sa, these are critical agencies of government. Si Bisaya pati the three of them, I said, yung sa PNP, talk it over among the three of you and let me know what's your desired solution.
Pero sa AFP, si General Visaya na.
Tapos henceforth, ayaw ko ng lakaran. You prove your worth doon sa Board of Generals. I do not want anybody approaching me for the position dyan sa police pati sa. Either you are chosen by the Board of Generals and I may or I may not. Basta walang abuso, walang sindikato, I will adapt the decision of the Board of Generals. Wala akong choices.
Si General Miranda, ano mangyayaring OIC ngayon ng Chief of Staff?
Well, I don't know. I said I'd like to follow the sequence sa kanilang year of tapos class 85, 86, 87. Parang ganon. Ayaw ko yung
Seniority.
Seniority.
Sir, lumalabas po ulit yung pangalan ni Gibo.
He's coming tomorrow. I don't know. I have yet to talk to him, but he was the former Secretary of Defense during the Arroyo administration.
Sino pa mga sigurado sa pwesto, sir?
Are you considering Gibo again?
I have to talk to him. I'm ambivalent at this time because I really do not know what he wants.
How about foreign relations, sir?
Foreign relations, may target nga ako rin but I have the names. Ang problema is I cannot make it public because I do not have the authority to speak for them, or neither do I have the consent to use or name them publicly. Ayaw ko yung baka mapahiya tapos hindi makuha, o ayaw ko that would appear na ni-rebuke mo ang government. We avoid awkward situations.
DILG, sir?
Wala pa rin, DILG, because the police would be under him. So he must be one that must be ready to introduce reform. Now, dito sa mga police, whether generals or just patrolmen, if you are tainted with drugs or you are facing charges of drugs, sinabi ko na sa dun sa mga generals na bulungan na lang na go quietly. I would be happy if they would retire. Na may makuha pa sila kisa wala. Rather than be named publicly for treason. That's the usual word if you talikuran mo ang bayan mo.
But you know who these people are already?
Yes, itong sa pulis. Dating ko yan sila. Sobra ng 2 years. The normal term is about 2 years. Some of them went as far as 3. Danao is overstaying. Do you know that?
Si Danao, sir?
Danao would be handling maybe sa drug. I am not allowing just anybody to go into the business of enforcing the laws of drug. Nakukorrupt eh. And PDEA must be reshuffled. Baliktarin ko talaga ang PDEA, ganunin ko.
Not abolish. Sabi
No, no, because that is a creation of law. I cannot abolish an agency which is created by law.
Pero si
I have to
Danao,
have the consent of Congress.
si Danao magiging head ng PIDEA?
No, but I think he stays with the police. PDEA is an independent body now. It's a civilian. I'm still scouting for one. But Danao will play a very crucial role sa drug campaign.
Sir, is it
And I have also requested yung sa army, although nothing is definite about the position, kasi kami-kami lang ang storya dyan, for the military to pitch in. So, kailangan ko ng mga military, yung mga sharpshooter, pati yung mga sniper. Totoo,
Why, sir? Why?
parang ka lumabang ka, di ka-sniper na lang kita.
you mean they're gonna assist in
They will be close with because the president can call on the armed forces of the Philippines to help in the drug campaign and criminality. Yali yung mga droga, yung mga gun for hire, ito yung mga kidnapper, tapos pinapatay nila, tapos itong rape, then you rob, then you kill, and others. I will recommend to Congress for immediate, nandyan na yan, I think they are punishable already by death penalty. What I would do is to urge Congress to restore the death penalty by hanging.
For what crime, sir?
Yun ang sinabi ko.
Those rape.
Drugs, especially if you use drugs, and you have with you an unlicensed firearm, and itong lahat ng robbery with rape, with homicide, tapos gumamit pa ng illegally possessed drug, death by hanging. Karnaping, basta kasali ang homicide, yan pinatay mo. Kagaya nung may-ari ng kasa, si Evangelista ba yun? Na nagdi-demonstrate lang siya tapos pinatay, sinunog pa. I really condole with the family. And I share the grief. But this has to stop.
Sir, sino magiging executive secretary?
Wala pa. I don't know.
Sir, Senate President.
Si Ina siguro.
Sir, yung pwesto ko, wala pa?
Yes, sir.
Mayor, yung pwesto ko, wala pa? Pwesto ko.
What ba?
PSG ka na.
Spokesman? Bahala na kayo ni Panelo.
is it true that you've already been some of your people have been asking for names of PIDEA's list of yung mga hahabulin nila?
You know, PDEA has to have an OB. So, tanungin ko, for every law enforcement agency all over, upon my assumption, tanungin ko sa police, sana yung OB ninyo. Who are the leading players dito? At nasaan sila? Saan bahay nila? What is their worth? I mean, you play with drugs, how much? And I said, if you resist arrest, tapos you offer a violent resistance, my order to the police and to the military is to shoot to kill. Narinig ninyo? Buti ang klaro ba? Shoot to kill for every organized crime.
Mayor, how about your Senate President and House Speaker?
I can't hear.
Senate President and House Speaker.
Ay, hindi ako makialam, ma'am. That is a independent kami of each other eh. The executive, the legislative, judiciary. We do not cross paths there.
Mayor, you're meeting with the Chinese ambassador. How would you shape your China policy? Many in China are now saying you will have warmer relations compared to the Kim administration.
Well, it has not been called. But I would rather be friendly with everybody. I do not want war. I cannot support a war with the nation there. And I would not waste my time and the lives of the soldiers fighting for nothing. For what? And the problem is dito sa China Sea, if we go to war, for what, at what price, and you make the Philippines the battleground. Ang Palawan, karap lang eh. So yung logistics mo, pati yung assets mo, nandyan talaga yan.